Creativity has the potential to lead innovation, disrupt the status quo, and set new standards. Unique to every creative business leader is their ability to inspire, educate, and to surprise. But what should never come as a surprise are a leader's ethics. Throughout history, entertainers and artists have tried to support causes that they find important. Some examples of this are Marlon Brando refusing a Best Actor Oscar to instead speak upon the mistreatment of American Indians, and numerous bands such as Queen volunteering to play at the 1985 Live Aid concert to help end Ethiopian famine. Due to examples such as these, our team believes that environmental issues such as marine pollution are important to more people than is generally known. We aim to give these influential people a platform to use their artistic vision and embrace this powerful message. Our ethical stance is that everybody should have the opportunity to speak upon their beliefs, without criticism or judgment. The current main issue that arises upon speaking out in this way is that audiences are surprised and upset by the sudden need to speak about societal issues that may not be relevant in situations such as award ceremonies, live performances, and so on. That is why, when it comes to cleaning up our oceans, the Saving Nemo concert will serve as a new, first-of-its-kind platform for social change in the future. This concert will allow young, independent artists and established, successful performers to play together in solidarity for our marine environment. Risk management is not about trying to stop these sometimes unavoidable things from happening. Rather, it is about how to manage, mitigate, and reduce the impact of these risks. Crucially, risk management is about having a plan of how to deal with situations should they arise, and about adequate planning to minimize the occurrence of these risks. There are a few risks that may apply in the process of getting this project off the ground, as well as during its actual use. The barriers to this process that may occur before the actual online concert are called external risks, while the issues that could arise during the event are categorized as internal. The main external risk that is present in the Saving Nemo concert is regarding costs. The profits of this event would be going exclusively to organizations that rid the ocean of pollutants, meaning the artists and employees involved would all be volunteers. This makes it incredibly difficult to get performers to commit to this project, especially if they have not been publicly invested in saving the environment before. With regard to internal risks, the most significant is the impact of the concert itself on the audience. It is important to recognize that people may not necessarily care about the current state of the marine environment, especially if it is not directly affecting them. Even if people do decide to tune into the Saving Nemo concert, the audience will most likely care more about the people performing than the cause itself. This issue then begs the question, what is this all for if not just for raising money? How is the underlying message being displayed in an effective and creative way? In response to the potential risks that have been discussed, there must be strategies put in place that will help prevent these things from occurring. The first risk in undertaking the Saving Nemo project is in relation to costs. Although it is a volunteer-based event, the need for marketing and communal awareness requires some financial input. This issue can be resolved through the following methods: reaching out to organizations for funding, and running the concert through a platform that already exists. The first point proposes that the Saving Nemo coordinators reach out to organizations that may already have, or potentially want, an advantage in their public representation. A business may want to take on a project like this one to help their local reputation, especially in the current age of increased environmental awareness. Secondly, an extremely cost-efficient way to broadcast this concert is to collaborate with a reliable social media platform. Streaming through Facebook or Instagram, for example, allows worthy causes such as this one to be seen by more people than was ever possible in a face-to-face environment. The second risk that was discussed is regarding the content itself, and making viewers care about an issue that isn't even affecting them. It is important to get people invested in this issue for reasons other than just to watch the particular bands perform. This can be done through the following methods: creating effective, creative, and unique marketing, and using artists that care about the cause. The first point touches on the marketing of the event, and how the creators will sell Saving Nemo to the public. The way to do this is by adhering to the youth, making an attempt to understand why they invest in particular programs online and in general. The current generation cares about causes that they can relate to, which is why they need to see what they are trying to stop. They need to see how dangerous pollution is to our natural marine habitat, simultaneously being informed of how they can help. The second point discusses using performers that care about the cause. Making sure the entertainers actually care about the Saving Nemo project creates an opportunity for collaboration and a chance to ask what they think will attract viewers to an online festival.